Welcome to EduTech's Niranjan YouTube channel. After joining in school, MC resolution should be adopted for approval of joining. Some of our subscribers requested me to make video for MC resolution in English. That is why this video is dedicated for them. Let us start. Resolution adopted. This is the sample copy of resolution book. Resolution adopted. Agenda. Number 1. To approve the joining of X. In place of X, you should write the name of the teacher or librarian or group C or group D who joined in your school. To approve the joining of X and take initiative for approval of his or her joining in present school from District Inspector of School, Secondary Education. Write here name of the district. Number 2. Miscellaneous. MCR 1. The meeting is presided over by the president. The resolution started from here. You should write name of the president here. Resolution adopted. MCR 1. The HM or TIC informs the members present in the meeting that X. In place of X, you should write name of the teacher who has joined the school on date. You should write date of joining here at 10:30 am. After receiving recommendation from WBSSC, write memo number. You should write here memo number of recommendation letter and date of recommendation letter. And appointment letter, write memo number. You should write the memo number of appointment letter here, and you should write date of appointment letter here respectively. You should give here full stop. Full stop is omitted by mistake, so you should give here full stop. His or her joining has been duly approved by MC when it is informed by HM or TIC that his or her documents of academic and professional qualification have been verified and found correct. Before joining, you should verify the documents of academic and professional qualification with the original document. Now, the members present in the meeting resolved unanimously that his or her papers for approval is joining from DI of school, Alipurduar. You should write your district name here. Should be sent at the earliest so that the incumbent may receive the approval in time. As there is no any other agenda, the meeting is dissolved with vote of thanks to the chair. Here chair means the president. Write here name of high school and the president will sign here. This is the sample of MC resolution for approval. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel to get notification of the next update. Thanks for watching this video.